Presenting a pre-owned 2013 Mercedes-Benz. Unleash luxury, power, and performance with the 2013 Mercedes-Benz GL 454 4MATIC. This four-door SUV has an 8-cylinder, 4.6-liter V8 engine, with all-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Mercedes-Benz has less than 103,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 14 miles per gallon in the city, and 19 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Introducing the 2013 Mercedes-Benz GL 454 4MATIC. Powered by a 4.6L twin-turbo V8, it delivers Autobahn-worthy performance. With its diamond white metallic exterior and porcelain interior, it's a head-turner. Low mileage, averaging under 9,000 miles/year, and great fuel efficiency at 14 mpg city/19 mpg highway make it a practical choice. Clean Carfax and excellent condition ensure peace of mind. Don't miss out, visit our dealership today and prepare to be enamored. Key features include air filtration, front air conditioning, airbags, auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, cruise control, power steering, power windows, universal remote, digital odometer, external temperature display, moonroof, roof rails, child seat anchors, seat belt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, traction control, wireless data link, rear privacy glass, and window defogger.